Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can activate auto restart on Android phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, first of all, we need to open our settings application, and after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the device care setting. This one, tap on the device care setting, and then here we have to select the auto optimization. This one, you can turn on the auto restart to improve your phone performance. You can click on auto restart right here. Then you have two options. You can choose restart when needed or restart on schedule. And for me, I'm gonna go with this one, restart when needed. We can click on the toggle button to activate it. And now the auto restart has been activated on my Samsung Galaxy phone. And I guess that's how we can turn on or activate the auto restart feature on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.